We're going to talk to someone right now on the phone from the National Weather Service. Brett Borchardt is a senior meteorologist over there. Hello, Brett.
Hey, Micah Ray, thanks for having me.
Oh, thanks for coming on. What can you tell us about what has just happened in our area?
Well, we can confirm that there were numerous tornadoes across the Chicago area. Just as what was just said, too early to say how many tornadoes there were. We're still looking through reports of damage coming in through social media and working with emergency managers to determine where the worst damage was, which we'll use to inform our damage surveys.
We've been having our meteorologists on the air all evening long. I know you've been watching along, and they gave you guys all a lot of credit for being able to put this early warning out and potentially save some lives. Can you talk to us about the warning that you saw as it was coming toward us?
Sure. This was a relatively rare event for our area, especially in July. A lot of unique things had to come together just right, and it's one of those situations that we really couldn't see it until it was just coming together. A lot of dominoes had to fall in really the wrong direction, and it wasn't until the line of storms moved through earlier this morning. Remember, we had all those downpours this morning. Once that moved through, it became clear we were going to have another opportunity for these thunderstorms, and just based on the amount of wind shear, the amount of turning in the atmosphere, and the timing of the day, we knew this was going to be one of those situations where tornadoes were going to be favored.
Brett, has anything led up to this? I mean, we had some drought a couple of weeks ago. We had a lot of rain the last few weeks. Did any of this have anything to do with that?
No, it's just a pattern that we've been stuck in. May, June, we were in that drought. It's typically a very active time for severe weather in our local area. But as we all know, living in the Chicago area, severe weather can strike at any time throughout the year. Our severe weather season typically peaks from May through August, so we're really in the heart of the severe weather season. The drought that we had earlier really had no impact, as we've unfortunately learned, and we're likely going to have additional chances for severe weather as the year continues.
Brett, I don't want to ask you to get too technical, but it's really a fascinating thing to consider that, these kinds of storms, the tornadoes develop when we have saturation in the atmosphere. That was not the case here. We have this shear movement in the atmosphere. Can you describe how rare that is and why in the heck you think it developed the way it did?
Well, it's just a unique combination that came together just today. A lot of times we're looking for what we call a low-pressure system to give that spin in the atmosphere. We get those in the spring and the fall. Remember back in was that March 31st, we had that big tornado outbreak across the Midwest. This was a somewhat similar setup, just a much smaller scale with a small low-pressure system that came right through the Chicago area at the right or wrong time, depending on your viewpoint. And everything came together just right in the evening hours. It is not uncommon to have tornadoes in July, but to have so many over such a confined area and produce damage is relatively uncommon in the middle of July. But again, severe weather can strike any time of year, and it's just a poignant reminder that we're really in the middle of that season.
Are any of these cells going to cross over into other states?
It appears the storms are ongoing. They're over Lake Michigan right now, moving toward Michigan and northwestern Indiana. So the National Weather Service offices out east in Grand Rapids and Syracuse, Indiana, are going to be looking at those next. But yeah, the system continues eastward, and they're going to be continuing to issue warnings.
Brett, can you take us through what the timetable, how the assessment will take shape, and you probably don't want to be put on the spot, but if you had to guess, what would be your surprise where this may fall on the Fujita scale in terms of the strength of these tornadoes?
Well, right now we're in that very initial stage of just collecting the information of what happened, combing through social media, working with our emergency management partners, just trying to find out where the worst damage occurred. That way we can put together our damage survey plans. I can tell you we are going to start surveying tomorrow, like we have to survey for the next several days, just because there are so many potential paths. And as we continue and complete each survey, that's when we're going to be able to provide that official rating, the path length, the path width. It's still too early to say what these tornadoes were rated. We can say it appeared the strongest tornado moved across southwestern Cook County just based on radar, but it's way too early to say what it was rated because we're still collecting information from our partners about what was damaged and how many things were damaged.
What do you think the rest of our night is going to look like?
Well, it looks like it's going to be a lot quieter, thankfully. The cold front is working through our area, so you'll probably notice those humidity levels are lowering. Expecting it to be a little breezy, but definitely quiet, not expecting any storms overnight.
And put a little historical context to this for us. To have two tornado systems touch down in the city of Chicago, can you remember anything even remotely like this happening before?
Oh, gosh. Off the top of my head, I can remember June of 2021. I think June 26th, we had tornadic storms threaten the city of Chicago. Also, August of 2020, we had that big line of storms that went across Iowa and northern Illinois that also threatened the city of Chicago with an EF1 tornado in Rogers Park. Those would be comparable events. It just shows that the city of Chicago is not immune from tornadoes. The skyscrapers don't stop tornadoes. Severe weather really can strike anywhere, no matter the time of day, time of night, time of year.
Brett Borkhardt, senior meteorologist for the National Weather Service. We appreciate you checking in.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.